रिकॉर्ड वो नहीं बनाते हैं जनाब जिनकी रगों में खून दौड़ता है। रिकॉर्ड वो नहीं बनाते हैं जिनकी रगों में खून दौड़ता है। रिकॉर्ड वो बनाते हैं जिनकी रगों में जुनून दौड़ता है। और यही जुनून को लेकर आज यूएई यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स से हमारे बीच में एक मेहमान आए हुए हैं जिनकी डॉटर ने 2 रिकॉर्ड बनाए हुए हैं। हमारे जो एडजुडिकेटर है सुशांत मैसूरकर सर के गाइडेंस में जिन्होंने रिकॉर्ड बनाया हुआ है, वही स्टूडेंट हमारे उनकी मम्मी हमारे बीच में आई है। कुछ कारण से वो स्टूडेंट तो नहीं आ पाए हैं, ऋतुवा पोरे, तो आज उनकी मम्मी हमारे बीच में है। मैम, कैसा लग रहा है? इतने सारे रिकॉर्ड्स में नाम दर्ज हो चुका है, तो क्या बताना चाहते हैं? एक पहला रिकॉर्ड जो था वो तो मेमोरी से रिलेटेड था, और अभी का जो रिकॉर्ड है वो फिजिशियन से था। इसके बाद का क्या क्या आप सोच रहे हैं, क्या कल्पना है?
No words to express, the gratitude towards Sushant sir for being my mentor, for providing this opportunity, this platform. Because lot of kids have talent. Everybody is talented. This generation is, the gifted one. But everyone doesn't get that opportunity in that platform, which you all give. So thank you so much for that. About my daughter Lutwa, she is very sweet, cute, hardworking, dedicated, confident, and very firm child. I'm not telling as a mother, but if you ask anyone, these will be the words will be coming to describe her as her characteristic. So I'm lucky to be her mom, and she's very obedient. She listens whatever I advise her or what I suggest her. She takes it seriously. And she likes to take the challenges, and she has those leadership qualities. So for this, the first record of memory,
solar system,
reciting 91 facts about solar system in English and Arabic. Okay. The Arabic version was highly appreciated because Rutwa, being a non-Arabic girl, she could recite solar system facts, that too with big numbers in Arabic, was not an easy thing. Even her school appreciated principal. Her Arabic teacher was amazed to see how to do this child. So it's not that only Rutwa did it or Rutwa can do it. There are many children who can do it. We just have to, make it materialize. We want to bring their talent out. That's what we as a parent, me and my husband, Nikhil, trying. And with your help, your support, it's happening actually.
Okay, great.
About this record also,
this is a really very amazing record because it's very challenging, because she is a small 9-year-old, and she reached 12,000, crossed the 12,000 that feet place. So
actually this record was not planned at all. We had went for Kashmir trip with our family, like her grandparents were also there. And in Pahalgam, me and my husband had decided to go to the Lake, because we know it's very high, and the roads are not even, they're uneven, then valleys, all stone, the route and everything was not that the friendly for anyone. Even we couldn't think about taking our.
So this is the first time you go there, or before also you been to there?
We went first time. We went in Baisaran, which is mentioned. It is just 1 hour journey from there. I think 4 kilometers from Pahalgam. The base from where.
What precaution? Suppose anybody, the role of parents in making the record.
Parents' role is
well, lot of the parents they are not aware and they don't bother about कि चलो अपने बच्चा कुछ बनाने वाला है, उनको कुछ लेना देना नहीं होता है। बहुत सारे बस सुशांत सर को दे दिया बच्चा तो बस खत्म, अपना रोल खत्म। तो व्हाट इज द मेन रोल ऑफ पेरेंट्स?
Parents' role also plays a crucial part, because the children are small. My daughter's children are little bit small. They can't do anything on their own. We have to encourage them. We have to provide
that is very important. Encouraging. This word is, ma'am, I think this is a very important thing, encouraging. Because a lot of things as a parent we don't know, but we can do one thing, that is the encouragement. Very good.
And what this generation is very good in academics. They do multiple classes, co-curricular activities. But what makes them outstanding amongst all is these things, like building their profile from the beginning itself. Because when they will pass out college or universities, everybody will be having the very high grades. They will be coming out with flying colors. But what my child will be distinguished from other crowds. So this, if we start from the beginning itself, then I believe it will be helpful for her in her future. So rest up to her. And
I would also like to add. No, I am calling to mentor also. Ma'am, thank you very much. Now we are calling the mentor of Rutwa. Sir, welcome sir. First, many happy returns of the day. On behalf of our channel, our audience. सर क्या क्या है आपके पास ऐसा कि सर बच्चे आपके पास आते हैं, मुझे याद आ रहा है सुपर 30, तो सुपर 30 में जो जाता था वो आईआईटी में पहुंच जाता था। ऐसा क्या है सर आपके पास, ऐसा क्या मंत्र आप मारते हैं, क्या जड़ी बूटी भी लेकर आए सर आप क्या ऐसा जड़ी बूटी देते हैं कि बच्चे आपके पास जाते हैं और वो रिकॉर्ड होल्डर बन जाते हैं। एक रॉ मटेरियल आपके पास जाता है और एक वो सर्टिफिकेट लेके बाहर आता है, सेम लाइक आनंद सर के जैसा। तो क्या करते हैं सर आपकी वो सीक्रेट, व्हाट इज योर सीक्रेट?
Basic, there is a process and a system. So we just put the process and system in place so that कि हर एक जो बच्चा आता है उसको ये पता रहता है कि मुझे कुछ करना है। उनके पेरेंट्स अब बहुत एक्टिव रहते हैं, because I really appreciate the parents first to building up that confidence, to building up, coming up forward to ask that is there anything which my child can do? My child has a potential. We don't know how to nurture that potential. So we put that untrained brain into a process wherein the systems are laid down, the tools, techniques have been put forward, and then we nurture them with a completely different atmosphere of how this can be taken forward in the way they are very passionate about it. Because there are certain skill sets which are required. The confidence which the child has, they need to be very passionate about what they are doing. They need to be really being more enthusiastic, and most important is their eagerness to do something different apart from the world, and they need to have that spirit in them. So that is what I feel is the 5 pointers which are required.
So we are working since last 5 years. I observe that every time you come with some new talent, some new ideas. So ये ideas कहाँ से आते हैं सर? ये कुछ meditation है या कोई किताब है आपके पास या कोई गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं, क्या कहाँ से आते हैं सर?
Ideas are, we all have that inbuilt ideas. Only we need to nurture those ideas. तो आइडियाज़ में मुझे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट से मिलते हैं, हम जहाँ भी जाए आइडियाज़ फ्लो होते हैं, हमको सिर्फ पकड़ना है और उसको एक मोल्ड में डालना है।
वाह, बहुत बढ़िया।
टू जस्ट पुट इन द मोल्ड।
ग्रेट सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर,
थैंक यू।
वाज अमेजिंग।
I would like to appreciate Meenal ma'am and the full family for the support and confidence which she has given to Rutwa, because Rutwa itself, she is much more motivated, but also a parental guidance, parental support, and the confidence building exercise which the parents need to give, and they both have given it extremely very well.
Great.
So I would like to congratulate both the parents for their extremely hard work and the effort which they have put in and the support which they are giving to build up these 2 records.